Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. In India, bodily enjoyment means first tongue. Tongues enjoy everywhere. Here also. Tongues enjoy. So if we want to control our senses, therefore Bhaktivinoda Thakur, following the footsteps of previous acharyas, he says that control your tongue. Control your tongue. And in the Bhagavad-gita it is said, Agar Sri Krishna namadi nabhave grayam indriya. Without these blunt senses, we cannot understand Krishna. It's not possible. These senses are so imperfect that you cannot acquire any perfect knowledge, material or spiritual, by the senses. That's not possible. Even if you cannot know perfectly the affairs of this material world, it's like they are studying the moon planet, the nearest planet. Besides this moon planet, there are millions and trillions of other planets. They cannot say anything. Because the senses are imperfect. How you can understand? I can see, say, up to 1 mile. But when there is considered millions and trillions of miles, how you can use your senses and have the perfect knowledge? So you cannot have material knowledge perfectly by using these senses. What to speak of God and spiritual knowledge? That is beyond beyond your concept. Therefore Shastra says, Atha Sri Krishna namadi navavi grayam indriya. If you want to know God by mental speculation, that is frog philosophy. Dr. Frog, calculating Atlantic Ocean, sitting down in the well. This is called frog philosophy. Then, how it is possible to understand? The next line is, Sevanamukhehi jivhado samyameva sudha. If you employ your tongue in the service of the Lord, He will reveal Himself to you. He will reveal. Revelation. So therefore, you have to control the tongue. What is the tongue's business? The tongue's business is taste and vibrate. So you vibrate in service of the Lord, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna means, O Krishna, O the energy of the Lord, kindly engage me in your service. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. This is the meaning of Hare Krishna. It has no other meaning. O my Lord Krishna, and O the energy of Krishna, Radha especially. Finally, both of you engage me in your service. As Narottam Thakur said, Ha ha Prabhu Nanda Suto, Vrishabhanu Suta Juto. My Lord Krishna, you are well known as the son of Nanda Maharaj, and your eternal consort, Radharani, she is also known as the daughter of King Vrishabhanu. So both of you are here. Aha Prabhu Nanda Sutta Vrisha Manu Sutta Karuna Kalaha. Now I have come to you. Please, both of you, be merciful upon. This is Hare Krishna. Be merciful upon. Narattama Dasa Kahe, Nachaiya Nana Kahe. You are lotus feet, young one. Don't neglect me or puja with your lotus feet. I think if Krishna kicks and puja, that is our great function. You see, if Krishna kicks with his lotus feet, well, that is also great function. What to speak of accepting? Just like when Krishna was kicking on the hood of the Kaliya. So the Kaliya's wife prayed, my dear sir, I do not know this culprit Kaliya, how he became so fortunate that his hood is being kicked by you. Your touch of lotus feet, great sages, saintly personal, trying to meditate upon millions of years, but this Kaliya, I do not know. What did he do in his past life that is fortunate that his food is being picked by you?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.